Welcome to YouTube channel Aloysius Papang.
Khleh pi baro bat sachisen ngapriang ngawai pi siawni YouTube channel jonga Aloysius Papang. Parlok balai ngaong bon sen usarong bat unong wat daw juna ban pediang ya kacing syarem. Ali kengin ya pet bat ngap ya uni video kenang bapintip ya kedaw. Haki kendiat sngi baladap bon nangi ngiliyo sngaw daki media channel halor ka jingkran lapla baklem nongrem jong Himanta B Sarma ubadai Menteri Rangba kajala Assam par udakot ka North East Democratic Alliance halor ka jing syarem jong ka seng BJP bakantup ro ka seng NPP Hagane ke MP election arhajar arphusaw padang syudap haki lightly kijala kathan shitai lammingi kari India bakantup ya ka Nagaland Manipur bat Meghalaya Hakajing syaram kput jong ke kertong ke NPP ham Meghalaya hakaseng Congress uni unong yalam kaseng BJP ubana barjala ula keno bakajing syaram jong ke NPP hatura parliamentary constituency kadai nakadaw jong ke wei kenyam ya ke bamauru not ban pentikna kadai ke ai Henry ladang isngap tho bat pensyong niya ba halor kajing kento jong kum uway na kita ki pro Hindutwa syai kedar ba utha uhi ya kenyam Kristan kabalong dominant habro kawai kajala Meghalaya Hatu haba unut man kento kumni de shisha bulap daladi ya kijing shisha ni de tang observation bu usna hitang na kakhana hamsaya jongkiway pat kiriu shitnyam ki bakum mo ki bakwa ban wanra ya kajing sngo pernyam hapdeng kinong shong ka secular democratic country kum ke India bat ka non theocratic state kum ke jala Meghalaya ka baklem sha sanshar hakanu kudu kanyam hendai baro kinong nyam jongkinyam baper akajala ki don ya kajo ka hok bat kajing lai lot ban ya syem banta hak election da kadai ka MP nek MLA ro kum kata ka constitutional electoral voting rights lene ka hok ban thabot jongki kumbalapan ko bor da kriti sanshar jongkri ya unong India ubaladap khat pras nem karta kadi kajing kran thau nang ka jong Himanta biswa kadai tang ka jing kran shongship nyam bashimat jong ka bapan thobria ya ka jing long secular jong ka jala Meghalaya tang na kadaw baka party NPP balakershan da ka NDA kala syarem ha Meghalaya ayupat ki menteri ka seng BJP badon ha ka sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance bat kiway pat ki khot ka BJP kum kidong shong ka Meghalaya kidon ban kan tho halor kani ka jingkran baklam nongrem jong chief minister ka jala Assam kum unong yalam badai na ka jo ka party
particularly in this election Meghalaya, Nagaland and Manipur a particular religion openly went against our government in those states or openly done against the NDA. And that religion has tremendous followers in those states. So that has made the difference. It is not a political defeat because nobody can fight with a religion. So if tomorrow all the Sankaracharya seats and say that Himanta must lose, how can I fight with all the four Sankaracharya? So in Nagaland, in Manipur, and in Meghalaya, the specific reason is that a particular religion or leader of those religion works against the certain political party. Usually they do not interfere in politics, but this time for whatever reason, they interfered in politics, including Assam. So that's my observation. But specific reason why Meghalaya has been lost, NDA has been lost, you have to ask for Mr. Rio and Mr. Sarma.
Hakajing edai pat kajing syarem kaseng BJP haki santli ki parliamentary seat ka jala Assam balajop lai seat da kaseng Congress bat markaway da kaseng AGP bat ka UPPL Himanta ulakan tho by direct yakinong tabbot badai na ka nyam Muslim kum kadaw jong kajing syarem ka party jong
Congress become completely a Muslim party. The EU count UDF vote. I mean, I don't know where the confusion is. UDF vote, which are essentially Muslim vote, they voted for Congress. So Congress vote share has increased. So Congress vote share has not increased at the cost of BJP because BJP's vote share has also increased. Only thing that UDF voters has shifted towards Congress. As of now, I don't want to speak something without data, without document. But in Assam, Muslim has adopted Congress. That is clear from the result. Earlier they adopted both UDF and Congress. Now they have adopted Congress. So that is the outcome of this election. In this election, Hindu has voted for BJP, Hindu has voted for Congress. But Muslim has only voted for Congress.
Hato tang bo uday unong yalam ka BJP but udukhat ka North East Democratic Alliance jong ka than chitay lamingi udon hok mo ban shu accuse klem nong rem ya kono kanyam lani ya kinong panya nyam bat kinong tabot chong kono ka jengat nyam kum kinong India bapura day badon kum kini kinong yalam shet nyam bami ka jeng ya snowper bat jeng ya pat ya pra hapo kadi bat ka jat benriu haka kateng chong kanyam day hockey bo udsha takrang kala how President Rangba ka seng Voice of the People Party uba Arden Miller Basayomoit Halor Kani Kajingkren Klemnongrim Jong U.
I strongly condemn the statement made by Mr. Himanta B Sarma that a particular religion in Meghalaya was the cause for the defeat of the NDA candidate in this parliamentary election. I would also like to tell him that the church in Meghalaya has never ever involved in any electoral politics. However, as a community, we will choose to elect a party or a candidate which believe in the Constitution of India, respect the provision of the Constitution of India, believe in secularism, and the party that protects the interests of the minority communities.
Te parlong kumba piju kershan but aiman sem yang barabor ng karpat biang ye piba pins ngau bha ban like share comments but kamtam ban subscribe ya uni YouTube channel jonga nakabenta ki wei part ki video. Te kublai shibon parlong ya kapor ka jongpi.